Hi and welcome to Lesson 4 of Spin Wheel for WooCommerce, Display Settings and Triggers. In this video, we will learn how to control when and where it appears on your website. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Spin Wheel tab. Go to the Display Settings. Here, you can choose when to display the spin wheel. After sign up, displays the spin wheel after a customer registers on your website. After add to cart, displays the spin wheel once the first product is added to the cart. This event also applies when a product is added to the cart. Thank you page, after order complete. Displays the spin wheel on the order confirmation page. Wheel on pages controls whether the spin wheel appears on all pages or only on specific pages. In select pages, choose the specific pages where you want the spin wheel to appear. Next, we have wheel on post types. It controls whether the spin wheel appears on all posts or only on specific post types. In select posts, you can choose the specific post where you want the spin wheel to appear. In occurrence delay, you can set the number of days before the spin wheel pop-up appears again to the same user. Next, we have snowfall. From here, you can enable or disable snowfall. Number of flakes lets you adjust the number of flakes that appear in the snowfall effect. Snow falling speed controls the speed at which the snowflakes fall. Hide on mobile lets you choose whether to hide snowfall on mobile devices. Once the settings are added, click on Save Changes. Once the settings are saved, click on the Triggers tab. Now, let's explore the Triggers tab. This allows you to control when the spin wheel appears based on user behavior. Enable Desktop Exit Intent displays the spin wheel when a user hovers their mouse cursor toward the top of the screen on their desktop devices. Enable Mobile Exit Intent displays the spin wheel when a user scrolls upwards on mobile devices. Scroll Trigger for desktop displays the spin wheel after the user scrolls a certain percentage of the page on desktop devices. You can adjust the percentage. Scroll Trigger for mobile displays the spin wheel after the user scrolls a certain percentage of the page on mobile devices. You can also adjust the percentage. Time delay displays the spin wheel after a specific number of seconds. Inactive sensor displays the spin wheel after the user has been inactive on the site for a specified number of seconds. Trigger by class displays the spin wheel when a button, link, or HTML element with a specified class is clicked. Once the settings are added, click on Save Changes, and that's it. In this lesson, we learned how to control when and where the spin wheel appears on your website using display settings and triggers. We also explored additional features like snowfall and mobile settings. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.